content is generated, file is generated, everything, both of them are generated, right? How do I upload to all social media, right? Yes or no? How many of you have this question? Okay, how do I upload to all social media? I want this to be uploaded to all the social media, right? Yes. Now you can use, there is something called as uploadpost.com, everyone. Now there is a platform called as uploadpost.com. This has a pricing. Of course, this is not free. Frees are only 10 upload per month, which are allowed. So what we are going to do, we are clicking on create an account. So I'm going to create an account with my modulus ID, everyone. Okay. Let's create a modulus ID. Uploadpost.com we are using, continue, done. And here we have, it is asking me to manage users and everything. No, we don't want to do. We want to generate a key. That's it. Key we have generated, everyone. Yes. So this is a key that we have basically used. This is our upload post key, everyone. So this is my post. This is a key that we have generated now. But first thing you need to do is you need to add the profiles where we want to upload. So if you go to dashboard, here is an option. You have not connected your any of the account. Do you see? You have to connect your account first. So if you go to my profile, you have to connect your accounts, everyone. Yes or no? So let's connect one of the account. Okay. So which one we should connect, everyone? So suppose we have Instagram account. So here you can see it is asking me that Instagram account is not connected. So now this service, what it can do is if you give the file and the title, it will upload to all these services. It can upload to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit, Pinterest, Thread, and even the X.com. Isn't it amazing? Yes or no? Isn't it amazing? Yes or no? So one image, one text, it can upload to all of your social media automatically, right? You don't have to do anything at all. So what we are going to do, if you go to API keys, API key we have already generated. They are telling you how to use this API key and everything, okay? We don't want to use it, right? We don't want to do anything at all. What we want to use it is, we need to collapse this here. So we have selected the free version, right? Yes. Let me see if how can we add the accounts. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me select an image. Okay. Let me add a post message also. So here, let's suppose I want to upload on Instagram account. So let me see, Instagram account not added. Where we can add the account? Let me check. TikTok is not available for user in play plan. Acha, this is a profile that we wanted. Okay. What should we use? Let's create a X account. Okay. I think X makes sense. Okay. So X account, I think we have connected everyone. So okay, fine. So X account is done. Okay. Okay. 1 second. So I think X account is connected or not. Let me try again. Okay. Allow. And you are good to go. Okay. One with me. So I've just connected X. You can connect whatever you want, everyone. You can connect Facebook, YouTube, whatever. The more you connect, the more it will post. Fine. Now what we are going to do, just last thing we are going to do, here we have upload post. Already there is a plugin they have already created. You just need to install this node. Everyone, that's it. That's it you need to do. Just install this. Automatically they have access. Okay. So upload photo, upload text, upload what? Upload a video, upload a photo, upload a text. So upload a photo. So credentials we need to add the API key, which they have given to us. We have an API key generated. If you remember, this was not the API key. In the API key section, they have given the API key, right? Which is this blah, 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 blah. Something longer than expected. Okay. Connection successful. Good. So user identifier. So user identifier is, what is the user identifier, everyone? Tell me. Go to users. This one, the promote. User identifier platform. Where you want to use Twitter. Twitter I want to. Title. So what, if you execute the previous node automatically, it will ask you what is the title. So title, as of now, ABC. Let's suppose this is not a scheduled post. Not a scheduled post. Photo URL or for file. If you want to select, right? It is asking each and everything, by the way. So what we are going to do, we'll rerun this. Everyone, let's run it. Huh. Bugs, huh? Maybe a bug, huh? Now it's working, everyone. So now it's working. It's a bug back. I think so, yes. It's a bug. Okay, so we'll give the instructions. YouTube poster, date will change, okay, 28. That's it. Click on submit. Now execution of the flow is going on. Extract the file. Hey, here we have some problems. What is the problem? Okay, tell me. Let me. JSON to be validated. I think, again, don't use hash slash or something, guys. It basically creates an issue. Let me execute again. Okay. So what happened is, sometimes whatever the instruction that you are giving, right? ये इस पे I think this slash or comma, right? So ये double quotes है ना, ये issue है. Okay. So make sure that you remove these double quotes. It basically gets started crying whenever you add this. Okay. Special characters, it always start crying. Okay. Understood? So, so don't use this. Right now it is working. You can see. So double quotes, special characters, right? It start crying afterwards. So don't use that. Try to avoid it. So right now we are calling the Google Gemini. It will create a image for us. It has created and it has uploaded also, everyone. I think so. So this is the latest one. Not this one. This one looks okay, right? Yes. John Doe. The name and upload post is failed, everyone. Yes. Photo URL is missing, right? Now it's time for us to give photo URL and everything because now output is also coming. So title is, this is the caption. Title, caption we have given. Now he wants photo URL, right? This is the photo URL. Directly photo URL, thumbnail link, photo link. I think this one, I think we can give this one. If I'm not wrong, this one is something we can give directly. No, this one is my photo link. Okay. It is saying that provide a photo URL or a URL comma separated. Okay, data. For example, example.com image or any other image. For files, enter the binary property name like for the URLs provide direct HTTP URLs in this case. Okay, either he needs a direct HTTP once, which is scary, right? Either we upload to a third party again and then give it to him, or let me do something important. Okay. As of now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this AI agent, everyone. Right? What I'm going to do is, right, we will upload it later. What I'm going to do is, everyone, we will remove this. I will just directly give it to upload post. Okay. This directly. I will see if it is uploading or not. Fair? Make sense? Make sense or not? Let me check. And what I'm going to do is, this is caption. What we are going to do is, we will generate a caption also side by side. So directly caption also will be generated. This AI agent is basically going to generate, right? Uploading part also, we can ask him to upload side by side, right? And one more thing we can do, right? I know what is the trigger for that, right? We don't have a trigger. So let's do one thing. Give me 1 second. Okay. I'm just checking something everyone as of now. Okay. So we will keep it deactivated as of now. With me? We'll keep it deactivated because I'm checking that, okay, if uploading directly is working or not. So if we have, let's suppose ABC, this is ABC. I think it has uploaded, right? Yes, everyone? I think it has uploaded. Yes, you can see. So it means this is uploading. This is working, right? So ABC with this, it means it is working. So now we just need to get the title, right? So upload post. What we can do in between also, right, everyone? So this part that you see, that you see, this is what we are getting, right? This is converting of the file directly. Here, what we want is, we want to give this. This is AI agent. Can we do that? Yes. Everyone with me? So what I'm going to do is, I will put this into here. So let me activate this. Let me activate this. Let me activate this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove this. Now I will give this to this. Okay. With me. So in between AI agent exists. So this is their chat model, right? This is converting of the file and uploading. So this should be the last part. This is uploading part, right? When you are uploaded, go to convert and do the work for me. So let me make a jhadu so that this one makes sense, right? Everyone clear? upload the file, convert the file, and then do this. Okay. By the way, conversion of the file should be done before uploading, right? Yes or no? How many of you are with me? So conversion of the file you can upload directly. So because it wants data directly in this case. So again, this is optional if you want to upload it or not. Do you want to upload? Yes or no? It depends on you, right? So if you can do it, either you can basically deactivate this and directly you can tell him to convert the file and upload. How many of you got it? What I'm trying to say, give me yes, right? I am telling that create the image, directly generate the caption. Everyone generate the caption, and whatever the caption that you have generated, everyone, whatever the caption, let's run it again. I'll show you what exactly I mean to say. Okay, everyone, same thing I'm going to say. Let me create this file, sad one. Okay, let me post this one. Okay, remove the double quotes, everyone. Make sure that double quotes is removed. Right, here, 29th September. Click on submit. Now the execution will start. Done. Yes, okay. It will generate an image for us. Okay. Now AI agent will just generate a caption for us, nothing else. Okay. Then it will call the convert to file and upload. So converting the file. Converting the file again, we need to change something, everyone. The change is this. Here we need to update this because this is very important that you update this part. Run it again. Let me do one thing. Let's try to directly AI agent. Actually, everyone, what I'm doing is let me remove this AI agent. Okay, we'll keep it separate. Okay, with me, we'll keep it separate. We'll just see if directly it is working or not. Directly, we will just try to upload. Everyone with me? Give me yes. That directly we are trying to do. Agent, we will use it later. Okay, later we will use it. But I'm just checking if directly uploading a post is working or not. Fine. Everyone fine with this? Okay. So let's upload the image. Okay. Generate a YouTube poster for the topic N10 agents for social media. Just a random information, everyone. A random thing I have added. So I just want to show you like how you can use this upload it. Okay. Now only thing we want is just in the upload post, we want this also. So it will just going to generate. Upload post is telling me that, okay, duplicate. Success, which is duplicate post or two similar posts detected. Okay, by the way, it has not uploaded, but again, this is upload post who's stopping because image is very similar. That is, it is telling you don't do the duplicate. Okay. But again, if you use the same thing, it will basically generate. It will do it. Okay. I hope everyone got the idea what we have done. Now, in the upload post, we want, let me add this also. This agent also server side. So I just want to add that, okay, this one also will start this meanwhile. Okay. So here the agent, right? Let me see if we can have multi running agents also. So by this is a random image. Okay. Generate a YouTube poster for the N10 agent workshop. Click on this. Okay. So meanwhile, it is just uploading. Right. So by the way, upload post is not able to do it because he wants to wait for at least two days because we are on a free plan, everyone. Okay. Everyone, it is just because of we are on a free plan. That's why it is not letting us to do it. By the way, fair. That's why it is not letting us to do it. But if you use directly, it will be able to use it. Now, in this case, one more thing you can add is you can generate a, in this case, okay, you can use a AI agent also. Right now, it is not working, but again, you need to add a AI agent in between, which will help us to generate a text also, right? So here in between also you can add it AI agent. We'll do that later part. We'll show that how it can be done. But I hope everyone got the idea how to get the image, use the Google API and do it. Okay, this is the simplest one that you can do it. Right? Let me do one thing. generation part and everything, we'll do it later. I think this is the most simplest one directly. You can automate your social medias directly like by using this, right? Automatically generate the content for you. Instead of here, what you can do now is you can give a drive trigger also, which will automatically fetch your image, automatically fetch a title, generate it, and do it also for you. Okay.